Hi, my name's Roger. We're at Pudding's Nest Farm, which is about 10 kilometres east of Donnybrook. We have a couple of hundred acres here. We're pretty much retired now. Run a few Dorper sheep and Berkshire pigs. And our ultimate aim was to become as self-sufficient as we can. So obviously power was part of that idea. Jared was excellent actually. He is one of these guys that obviously knows his stuff and is quite passionate about what he does. He was able to answer all of our questions, and we had lots of them because we'd done a fair bit of research and we knew, more or less what we were talking about, I guess, before he came. But he was very good. We decided, he basically designed the system for us, so we've got 38 panels on the roof, most of which face north, and then we've got some on the western part of the roof as well to catch the afternoon sun. The system provides about probably 80 to 85% of our power, and it's dropped our average 2-monthly power bill from about $1,200 to less than $130, which means we can amortize the system in about 4 or 5 years, which is exactly what we wanted to do. The installation was done within about 4 or 5 weeks of us signing the contract. And to be honest, we've had a lot of contractors here putting water tanks and doing fencing and earthworks and things for us and redoing parts of the house. We haven't had a team of contractors who were as good as Infinite Energy. They were just really nice guys. They were very efficient, worked very well, friendly to talk to, absolutely no problems whatsoever. And we've been pleased with the system, which hasn't missed a beat. So in terms of cost, Infinite Energy's quote was competitive. It wasn't the cheapest, but nor was it the most expensive. We decided we weren't going to go with a cheap system because we wanted panels that are going to last for some time and a battery that's going to last for 10 to 15 years and so on. And our total experience with Infinite has been really good, and I would honestly recommend them to anyone. I would actually, yeah.